Good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I hope you're all well. Doing a quick one today. In my local area, a green one popped up. Can't be having that, can we? So it's been there about a month and I haven't found it yet. Obviously that's why I'm going looking for it, but it's been found several times, so I thought pop out today, see if we can get this one down. Now the only tool of the trade I've got with me today is this Victorinox compact knife, and the reason I've got it is it's got a pen and tweezers built in to the knife itself. So as well as having many useful tools, it's got everything you need for a bit of geocaching, especially spontaneous geocaching. Really handy thing to carry with you, this. If you haven't got one, I'll put a link in the description and comments below so you can check it out. They're not a bad price. I should probably add that one of the things that makes this really quite useful, apart from the tweezers, is the fact that the pen is pressurized, and what that means is the ink in that will work on damp/wet logs. I'm about 1 kilometre away and I'm just about to head on to Monk's Stray here, and this actually is the location of the very first geocache I found, and it's still there because I can still see it. But yeah, that was where I was a geocaching virgin, and right back there, that's where my journey in geocaching started. Look at those two magnificent willows coming into leaf. Regulars to this channel will know I do appreciate a good willow, especially on a riverbank. Yeah, we've got to get across the busy 1036 here onto the other side. Yeah, how do you rent free gas? Seems like a bit of a con to me. Anyway, we're now heading down Elmfield Avenue. Not sure if you can see that, it looks a bit dark to me, but we're about 420 odd metres away. I don't need telling twice. That road over there, that's Victoria Way. We just need to head down that way, and that puts us about 130 metres away. We just need to bob down here. Bob, get it. Yeah, alright, I'll get my coat. 60 odd metres. Found it, found it, found it. I'll show you what I mean about tools of the trade. So you get this little set of tweezers. Now I don't actually have to use them on this, but they are handy for pulling logs out and so on. If you've got a really small tube, that is, or a canister. But the big bonus is you get this nice little pen. I can use that to sign the log. Signed it, logged it, popped it back. And I've turned that green thing into a smiley face. Nice. And yeah, check out the Victorinox compact knife as a tool of the trade. It's a really handy bit of kit to have with you, especially for spontaneous geocaching, because here in the UK it's a legal carry knife. It's not a lock knife and it's less than a 3-inch blade, so it's just a handy thing to have. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. Whenever I see the word Albert, I'm always reminded of piercings, and I've often thought I might have a King Edward piercing. It's a little bit like a Prince Albert, except it goes through your spuds.